Hey everyone, this is Ryan at Runbiz. Welcome to Web Tip Wednesday. This week we're exploring a feature that you've probably seen in some of your Microsoft apps, but you haven't really known what to do with it. This feature is called Tell Me. It's the one with the little light bulb icon next to it. Does this look familiar? This feature is actually incredibly helpful if you're anything like me and don't have the entire ribbon inside of Word or Excel memorized by heart. Or if you're just looking for a shortcut, this can usually get you where you want to go a little bit quicker. So whether you need to insert a table, change your font color, mark up a document, whatever the case may be, just tell Microsoft by typing your request into the Tell Me field. It's easy enough, right? That's it for this week, short and sweet. Hopefully knowing what that little light bulb thing is makes you a more confident and efficient Microsoft 365 user. For more web tips, visit us online at www.run.biz and head to the Runbiz U section. And if you found this content helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for notifications whenever new web tips come out. Thanks and have a great week.